In the heart of Bangladesh's textile industry, where innovation drives progress and ambition builds the future, a new chapter begins. For decades, Palmal Group has stood as a symbol of strength. A leader, a visionary, a name that defines excellence. But today, we do something no one in this country has ever done before. We rise above tradition. We break the boundaries of possibility, and we introduce Bangladesh to the future of industrial automation. This is the Automated Storage and Retrieval System, ASRS. For the very first time in Bangladesh, Palmal Group brings this revolutionary system into a textile factory. Not as a dream, but as a bold reality. A towering structure of engineering precision, a machine that thinks, moves, and works with unmatched intelligence. Every pallet, every lift, every second, optimized for perfection. With a total capacity of 2,912 pallets, each capable of bearing 500 kilograms, the ASRS stands with a staggering storage strength of 1,456,000 kilograms. A backbone of steel and automation designed to carry the future. Already the system is alive, fully operational, managing 2,784 pallets with an active load of 1,392,000 kilograms, handling nearly 60 tons of movement every single day. It does not rest. It does not slow. It delivers constantly. Behind this extraordinary system stands a dedicated force, a team of 16 skilled professionals, one manager, one MIS specialist, one officer, 2 supervisors, and 9 loaders, working in perfect coordination with the machine they command. Man and technology working together, creating the rhythm of modern industry. This is more than installation, more than innovation. It is a landmark for Bangladesh, a statement to the world, a promise to the future. Palmal Group has not just led the way, we have redefined it. Palmal Group, where vision becomes reality, where the future has already begun.